Whether you want to give your property a wood aesthetic or an intimidating steel-like appearance, it can all be done with our JHR aluminum technology. Compared with traditional wood or plastic, the thermal transfer wood grain of aluminum profile has great advantages of strong, insect-proof and anti-corrosion.
Remote control and hand to open and close the swing driveway gates in advance, which is ultra quiet. Higher safety index. It's a perfect finishing touch to a gorgeous home. What a better way to close out the year than with an amazing aluminum driveway fate for your house. Reach out today.
The latest automatic aluminum angle opposite sliding gate design can make better use of space with higher security and more beautiful. The entire courtyard gate is composed of privacy, slat panels and engraving aluminum plate. From design, fabrication to shipping, JHR can manage all aspects of your automatic gate project. Contact us on Alibaba to further discuss your sliding gate project.